Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 28th, and this is my recap of the top field videos of the day and the US dollar. Came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So, pretty decent push down today on the euro dollar. We still have not broken that structure that I've been talking about. So, technically on the daily time frame, this is my daily time frame structure, the trend is definitely still up, at least until we break and hold below there. Now, I have my Fibonacci extension on this wave projected out the top of this wave, because if this is an A, B, C, then pretty much the maximum for wave C should be the 161, 178 area, and that also will give you the break of structure. So basically what I'm saying is if it does go beyond those fib levels, it does break and hold this structure, I definitely will become a seller from that point on. If it does decide to respect this structure and respect these Fibonacci levels that are sitting right here, especially if you get a nice engulfing move to the upside with a break of structure, that tells me that it probably is a wave C, and I definitely will still take it as a long for the continuation of the uptrend. So pay attention to your Fibonacci levels, pay attention to your structure, you should be trading in the right direction. And for tomorrow's news, we got German and Spanish CPI tomorrow. The German one probably will move the market a little bit for sure. We also have GDP and unemployment rates tomorrow for the US dollar at the normal time, 8:30 Eastern Standard Time or 1:30 UK time. And then the rest of this news in the afternoon is probably not really a big deal. So we got a couple decent things to look out for tomorrow. A little bit of US news, a little bit of German CPI, maybe Spanish CPI to help move the things along. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.